This is Hidden Canyon Park, one of Belmont's most popular trail systems. Hidden Canyon and the connecting Water Dog trail systems are extremely important to hikers and bikers alike in the area. However, the dry weather and long-term California drought have left these trails extremely dry and susceptible to damage. While hikers will notice the drier conditions, it's the bikers that will feel the most impact. The loss of traction due to dusty conditions can cause more crashes and overall worsens the experience. As erosion gets worse and worse, many of these trails will continuously deteriorate and eventually become unrideable or unhikeable for many people. That would obviously make the trail useless and thus ruin the entire point. For residents of the Bay Area, the fact that these trails continuously get drier and drier as time goes on is a real negative aspect and something that could truly affect the future and longevity of these trail systems. When the rain does eventually come, however, conditions will only worsen because the lack of moisture for the past couple months will only lead to more damage when the rain does come, as the soil is not prepared for all that sudden moisture and will simply wash away, creating more ruts, more divots, and greater damage to the trails overall. California's drought has left these trails parched and made it so that many of the people who would normally be fixing these trails can't do a thing due to the dry weather. Even here on the Belmont jump side of the hill, the conditions are just as bad, with dust everywhere, the jumps in disrepair, and a lot of the riders feeling extremely down because they can't repair those jumps because of the lack of rain.
Nowadays, the dirt is too dry and it's very rocky, so it's hard to build. The dirt is dusty and loose and it won't hold when you build something.
The trails just get destroyed and you can't repair them, and then there's trails with terrible traction, and it really sucks for riding because it makes it hard, and when you fall it hurts a lot more.
Despite all those negative factors, the local community continues to use Hidden Canyon Park and the Belmont jumps as an escape from their busy work and school lives and a portal into nature. With what seems like colder conditions on the way, it seems like the trails might improve in the coming months. The hard work of volunteers on both types of trails is what truly keeps them alive through the dry months, and we as a community must respect that effort by being considerate in our trail use. For bikers, this means avoiding excessive skidding, being mindful of loose dirt and the lack of traction, and being prepared to lend a hand when the rain does eventually come. If more people lend a helping hand, the trails could be in even better condition for when the weather makes a return in the summer months. Reporting for Scott Center News, I'm Hayes Gabbery.